Right guys, head shed, back axle. Now, I've been having trouble, camera battery went, I've only got about 22%, so it's not going to last very long. So, gotta show you this quickly. Right, I put the race halves in, but I've got to space these shims out, get these calipers and stuff. The old bullet worked really well. Absolutely brilliant bit of kit, brilliant thing. Absolutely excellent, got them in, perfect. So, no damage, no nothing. Managed to find some more rubbers, made up with some O-rings. But I've got to try and torque the calipers off and get those. I'm going to space the disc back a little bit because I think they're too far in. So that's the next thing I'm going to just address tonight because I am feeling a bit backed up with it all. But obviously the old drive shafts, they are going to be, whichever one fits the hub I haven't touched, which is the hub over there. That'll light up, and I'm going to use a nylock locking on the other side. So yeah, so that's good. So that went in all right. Can't complain. I know one of which ones was slightly bent, and I did put it in the press and sort of bent it a little bit better. So I don't know. Maybe it's gonna be slightly out. I don't know. It might be a little bit bad, but hey, come on, further down the road I can do that if I'm still alive. COVID hasn't got me. So from that point of view, I'd like to just point out the obvious things, which are: one, we are getting the back axle back together. Two, we got that problem with the pistons on the calipers, but I'm gonna space the calipers anyway. I don't know what I'm gonna quite do. I'll space the proper one, which I think is the one, and then the E-Type one, which is the other side, which is the 68 one. I don't know. We'll work that one out when we come to it. We found a bit of handbrake cable. We found quite a lot of bits and pieces we actually needed. So I am going to say that it's looking good. It's looking good, all right? Apart from the shafts that look good. Probably going to say they might be out of balance. I don't think so. I'm not gonna worry about it anyway. I can only find 2 shock absorbers, and I got 2 coilovers over there, which I'm going to use. So I'm going to put 2 Jaguars and 2 adjustable coilovers on the back, I think. Probably that's not factory, but if I can find 2 more up, I have a good look around tomorrow. But I have looked in every shed, in every attic, in every room, and everywhere for some of those bits I needed, those 2 rubber seals. And I found the rings, but I struggled to find. So I actually found some O-rings that were the right size. So I've used O-rings instead of those rubber, like flat rubber seals. I know it's going to make a difference. It certainly won't in my lifetime, so I don't think it's going to matter. But she's in, guys. She's in. Look, in. Hub's in, done, boom. Ish. Wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Anyway, so what we're going to say is that's sorted. I'm going to try and sort out getting the caliper roughly in the right place, so I'm getting centre of the disc. So I'm going to put some spaces on there and tighten them calipers back against the thing. But I do believe that I don't know whether you can see that there. I don't know whether you can see. Can you see that? I don't look quite too far. I mean, with it short of a feeler gauge measurement, I don't know. We'll see. And that side's the same. So I was going to put another shim on each side, that and that. But I actually don't think I need to. I think it'll be alright. I have been struggling with these little puppies. And there they are. That's the ones that got the seal internally. You have to put the seal in and push the piston in. So they're getting a bit more clean out, but I've run out of cleaner at the moment, so that's going to have to come to a bit of a standstill. But they weren't too bad. They are not going to be an issue, and I'm going to do one side. I think this is the side that we have here, which is the off side. So the off side, I can actually tighten up, do space, shim, bang, job's good. And I've just got to hold on for this side.